Throttle King, quick, it's time to do your king speech. Oh, not again. Get up.
As a cactus, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch.
Okay, do this.
You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel.
Oh, right. It's been a good 2024. Merry Christmas
You're a
from
monster,
my family to yours.
Mr. Grinch.
I hope you had a very healthy 2025.
Empty hole.
And if I've offended you this year,
Full of spiders,
well,
you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch.
there's more to come next year. Stay tuned.
I wouldn't touch you with
Oh,
a
I'm sure.
39 and a half